Hello everybody, Stella here. Welcome back to my studio. So today I'm going to show you how to use Procreate program on your iPad to draw a beautiful fine art figurative gestural new body. I know that was a mouthful, wasn't it? Actually, no, I lied. I'm actually going to explain to you why I don't teach, and it was a very purposeful decision I made about 10 years ago. So when I went to art school, yes, I actually did, and I did earn my Bachelor's of Fine Arts degree. I was told by many different art professors that I would never make it because the way I draw or paint, as you can see, does not make any sense. Meaning that I don't follow some sort of formula. For instance, when you do a new body, you were told over and over again, get the proportion right first, get the overall body shape right first, use as little or more guidelines depending on who your professor was as necessary. I didn't do any of that. If you look at what I'm doing now, I went from the hip to the stomach, I shaded it up, the breasts were partially done, then I went back to the hip again, so on and so forth. I paint, I draw wherever my mind is, wherever the emotion flows to. I look at the drawing and I decide what is needed. And then I don't always start shading with the mid-tone. I can start with the darkest shadow, get the outline right, get the muscle tone. Then I use tons of eraser to create highlight and definition. And that used to drive one of my professors crazy because he pretty much built an entire career on the fact that you should never use eraser or as minimally as possible, because the more you use, the more it showed that you were a horrible artist who didn't know what you were doing. Let's just say I had many interesting discussions with him. I'm like the queen of erasing stuff, man. That's how I draw. I don't care what you tell me. So let's just put it this way. By the time I graduated, I was relieved, so were them, because after 4 years, most of them still couldn't figure out why I was able to do what I did without following any of the rules they taught me. But that's also the reason why I felt like the way I paint is so intuitive, it may end up misleading people who truly want to learn how to paint or draw academically. I just do it my way. So this is done, and I don't teach. Ciao.